You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this algae, or is it algae, algae? Let's leave this for the end of this video. The pronunciation in English here is as Rhodophyceae, or there is a different pronunciation. It's also correct to say it as Rhodophyceae. English pronunciation, how to pronounce in English, Rhodophyceae or Rhodophyceae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.